If possible, use a spotter to help you safely hook up your trailer.
Stop like this. When I want the back end of the truck to go left, I'll point to the left like this. When I want you to go straight,
Decide on hand signals
I'll be stopped like this.
and make sure you can see each other in the mirror.
Straight back. A little bit that way.
Back up until you're about a foot away from the coupler.
And good there.
Next, adjust the coupler height to be just slightly higher than the trailer ball. Continue backing up until the coupler is perfectly aligned with the trailer ball. Lower the coupler onto the trailer ball and latch it. Test the coupler connection by lifting up on the trailer tongue. If you are using a weight equalizing hitch, attach the weight equalizer bars. Attach the safety chains under the coupler. Make sure they are crisscrossed for a secure connection. If the coupler somehow comes undone, the safety chains will keep the trailer tongue off the road. Attach the breakaway control cable. Make sure the cable is attached directly to the tow vehicle, not to the hitch ball or chains. The breakaway controller will activate the trailer brakes if the trailer completely disconnects from the tow vehicle. Finally, hook up and test your trailer lights.